Hi everyone, it's Amber here, founder and designer of Baiia. Today I'm going to talk you through how to put on our signature three-piece wrap suit and a few tips and tricks on how to style it. We've got the beautiful Melinda here. She's going to show us how she puts on her three-piece wrap suit. The first and easiest way to get into it is to simply get the one piece, step into it, pull it up and adjust as you go. So you can see this one piece anchors onto your whole body. It's going to hold onto one of your shoulders, and you really want to make sure that you're getting the right swimsuit size for your torso length, as it's going to really depend on that. So we've got the one piece on now, but when you order our wrap suit, you'll notice it comes with a one piece, a chest piece, and two waist ties. Second step is popping the chest piece on. Now there are a few different ways to put this on. If you like to put it over your head, you can do that, but I sometimes find it easiest just to step in, pull up, and also adjust. And just before you pop it on, make sure you're using the right side with the highest amount of coverage. You can see in that seam there, one seam sits higher. That's what you're going to want to put on your chest. So you can easily just step it in. I actually prefer this method because it won't mess up my hair or my makeup, and it's a little more comfortable than trying to squeeze it over your elbows and your arms. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Once all adjusted, it looks and feels just like our signature sculpting wrap suit. So you can see Melinda's just popped her bra off, but she's still getting so much lift and support from just the wrap suit. That's really due to the design and the sculpting nature of the fabrics. The chest piece is seriously so versatile, perfect for feeding mamas or even for our customers who've had a mastectomy and want a different size chest piece to go with their one piece. What makes Baiia so different, apart from being the first brand to introduce our three-piece wrap suits, is the fact that they all come with two ties that you can use to style however you like, or even create more cinching or bust support. I'm going to go straight in with our solid tie at the moment and show you probably the most signature way that you've seen all the wrap suits being styled. It's a really simple trick. All you have to do is thread the tie through the chest piece, do a little bow. This was really designed to help keep the chest piece in place originally, because you'll feel the difference. The body piece is a little more firm, whereas the chest piece, because it's not anchored onto your whole body, we really needed that tie to really hold it in place, but it doubled as a beautiful little bow at the side, creating more of that flattering wrap look. So Melinda, if you just want to show people the side bow here, how it sits and how it creates a really beautiful silhouette around the waist. When designing the piece, I really wanted to focus on sculpting and cinching in that waist. Personally for me, I don't have a lot of shape. I don't really have a defined waist. And so when I first created this, it almost felt like the first time I'd really seen my body in a feminine, shapely way. Another way we're going to use the ties is to create a bit more bust support. So Melinda, if you just want to turn around, face the wall, how we're going to do this is grab one tie and just thread it through the shoulder straps. We find a lot of women, especially, if they're in a little rock pool or just enjoying the beach with their little ones, if they want to really feel like their bust is held up and supported, they'll utilize this feature to really hold everything in. So all I'm doing is a little bow tie at the back. Some people actually really like that bow tie detailing as well. So apart from looking cute, as you can see, yep. And if you want to turn around and face the front, you can adjust it as tight as you like, and the tighter it is, the more lift and support you're going to get around your bust, or you can wear it a little more loose. Either way, you're going to get that additional support and coverage around the bust by using the halter neck tie. And our last little fun feature is we're going to completely reverse the swimsuit, giving Melinda a brand new look. And voila, can you believe this is the same swimsuit? We've gone from a bold print to a more pared back, solid color. This design not only offers a beautiful fit, but also creates different looks for different body shapes, making it a true first of its kind.